Hey guys, I know it's been a while since you've seen a room tour, so I'm going to give you one of my new rooms. So, starting off here is my wall of cars. My dad's going to put up more strips. That's starting. Next is I've kind of gotten a load into baseball, so I have a bunch of baseballs and the Athletics and the Padres. Here's all my games and my receiver. Doesn't really work right now. Here's my dresser. A bunch of cars on the dresser. And no, my parents did not buy me this big flat screen TV. This used to be our media room, so they just gave me the TV. Coffee table, my Hot Wheels history book, and all of my favorite Hot Wheels right here. Two of them are new. Here's the two new Hot Wheels. The Mazda RX-7 and the custom 67 Pontiac Firebird with no hood, of course. As we move over here, we get closer to my chair right here. Of course, my two favorite things are on there, my glove and my Steven Strasberg, which I'm a big fan of the Nationals. This is my Ferrari shelf. I have a bunch of Ferraris. These are two new ones. We got the FXXK and the LaFerrari. As we move over here, we see that I have a couch. And yes, I have an Orioles bracket. My grandparents made this, so I just took it. Over here is the fridge. My mini fridge. I barely have any stuff in here. There's a can of water that's empty. I have a Sprite and 2 bottles of water. As we move on to my bed, my bunk bed. I don't know if you guys know or not, but I'm gonna have a sister. So my old room is gonna be her room. So yeah, and then I have all my new pullback cars. I'll show you a couple that are new. I have 5 that are new. Oh no, 6. 6 that are new. Let's go over to the table real quick. Some of these, my dad got me some new. So this one my mom got me. This is the Lamborghini Urus in white, all over the car. This is the orange McLaren 650S. This is the Porsche 918 Spider. The doors open like normal doors. Then you have a car that I got from a car show. This is a Pagani Huayra. Has carbon all in the hood. And then we have probably one of my favorite cars in the collection. The Dodge Viper with stripes down the middle. And then we have the Lexus IS300. And that's it for the pullback clothes. Let me just put them back. And then I will show you my closet and all that stuff. Well, I forgot to show you what I have. I have this Porsche Carrera GT. And you guys have been seeing this for a long time. I got this Porsche Carrera GT for $15 at this place. Hold on. Keep putting these back. Look, there's one more car that I'd love you guys to see. It's this. Wait, which one? Oh yeah. It's this Bentley. I love the car. Anyway, the top of my bed. The top of my bed. Okay, so we're gonna move on to out here.
Yeah. Well, what happened right here?
So basically what happened was my dad was drilling a shelf into the wall, and he drilled into a gas line, and I really wanted to go to bed. I was about to go to bed, and we evacuated the house immediately. We just heard the hissing, and yeah. And as we go, we talk to my bed.
And you had to call 911.
Yes, we had to call 911. Yeah, we had to go really far from our house.
But everything's okay now.
Yes. Our house almost burned down, and I did not want that because I had valuable cars. Anyway, that point, it has a bunch of just stuffed animals and stuff. My favorite one, personally, up here is this NASCAR that my friend gave me. So let's move out here. guys have not seen this yet, I have a new porch outside. Wanna go outside? As we go outside, we see this. The porch. It's right there. That's a porch. And what have I missed? My closet? We're just gonna go see my closet. Toy bins. More Hot Wheels. Just billions of Hot Wheels. Orioles truck. Oh, I like this car. This is Orange Ford GT. And a Bentley that the doors open just a non-Hot Wheel. And let's go to my closet. I have a Steven Strasberg pennant and a bunch of Hagerstown sunsets, which is. Did you turn that light on? 3 Nationals hats, which the Suns, once the players get good enough, they go to the Nationals. And here is my closet. I have cleats in here because, I like to play baseball. Just a bunch of stuff in here. Extra stuff on my clothes, dirty clothes. Xbox stuff, and yeah, I think that might be it, isn't it? Alright, so if you guys enjoyed it, and I forgot to tell you, if you guys know Zach Campbell, like this video, because he collects thousands of balls. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.